So this is the Aristo, good old 2J. So basically you can see from the belt is caked in oil. So if you have a look at the cam seals actually look all right. There's not too much wrong with the cam seals, but if you look down there, all the oil's coming from inside and coming up. So what I've done, obviously shield off, best way to do it is fans. So what I've actually done to get the bottom damper off, the easiest way is to use the chassis leg. So I just put a bar, obviously put a nice thick towel there so it didn't scratch his paint, and then you just basically lever it, and it's actually come off all right, because I think someone's done the timing on this previously, but it's not too bad of a job. There is some typical typical brittle coils which we're going to have to repair as well, but I wanted to get the bitch job done first. To be fair, it's pretty simple. Take some intercooler pipes off, get the fans off, and then loads of room. So we'll crack on with that. So what I'll do is, I think he wants me to do the brakes as well, but this is beautiful. I love this car. You lot need to subscribe more so I can buy this off him. This is a beautiful example. So obviously he has the white one, he has the red one, he has that white Soarer as well, and he's just bought that for his brother, and this is his new toy. Apparently this is 4x4. I bet that's a right laugh. But yeah, he's actually getting married today. So I'm working on his cars and he's getting married. Bit of a weird situation, but never mind. But yeah, I love this car. One day. So basically, if you lot subscribe more and book in your cars and send me your ECUs, I might be able to buy this, and then imagine the content I can do with this red one. But yeah, also if you're interested, got some hoodies now, although I think I might have to take it off in a minute because it is getting a little bit hot. But yeah, anyone that's interested, give me a shout, because I don't want to pay out a fortune if no one's going to buy them. But yeah, so what I'll do is I'll do a camera roll of me on the Aristo. Yeah, and as of when I find little bits and pieces, we'll do it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong.
So obviously when doing the timing belt, we've removed the tensioner. Front cover's already off. Don't really need to take anything else off. Might have to take the that off. But yeah, you've got two little dots on the cams. You need to make sure that they're lined up with the two lines, and obviously this needs to be on 0. So as you can see, we're all lined up, good to go. So yeah, as long as this doesn't move, we're good.
And fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I only can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
So it's much later on in the day. It's been nothing but a ball ache, this car. So found a tooth missing on the gear, so had to drive an hour to Garage D to get the crank gear. Drove an hour back, fitted it, put it all back on, still leaking. So unfortunately, the person that did this before, one broke a tooth on the timing, and unfortunately it looks like the oil pump's not sealed up properly. Yeah, so I've got to take it all off again and do it all, but I'll show you the car. So there's the car all back together. Obviously we've done all the coils are all now good, runs sweet as a nut. Problem being is it is still absolutely, well, not pissing out, but it is dripping quite considerably. So unfortunately this is not a driveway job, this is a oil pump. Yeah, which means everything's got to come off again, but it is what it is. So yeah, so unfortunate events with this one. Unfortunately we aren't able to fix this one, but some you win, some you lose. I was hoping to help Tom out and get his brother back to Cornwall in his car, but there's no way I'm staying up till 3 o'clock in the morning doing an oil pump, and I ain't got one anyway. So, but yeah, sorry Tom mate, tried my best. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Hopefully this will be coming to the garage, but that's up to Tom. But yeah, so if you haven't already, press all the buttons, and thank you very much for watching.